Okay, sometimes we realise it's not viable for our customers to buy brand new machines. You can see this machine here. This has been sent to us by a customer for rebuild. It's a Milford impact riveting machine, and you can see it's pretty well used. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this machine, strip it down, replace all the parts that need to be replaced, and put it back into service. And this is the rebuilt machine. It's still a Milford machine. We use original equipment parts, they're brand new parts where necessary. We refurbish and reuse what's not broken and that doesn't need to be replaced. And you can see the kind of condition that we can restore these machines to. This machine's ready to go. It's ready for another 10 or 20 years of hard work.